Ha? Saan tayo? Wala na dyan. May daan ba dyan? Ha? Saan? Kaya nga.
Saan ba tayo? Soft drink. Alam niyo, early job ba dalo?
Terminal 3. Ayun no, ang ganda. Terminal 3.
Series of 2024 issued by the Philippine government. All arriving and departing passengers are required to register and update the information in e-travel, the official one-stop electronic travel declaration system, before proceeding to immigration, quarantine, and customs. E-travel is accessible by e-travel.gov.ph.
Announce ng Turkish.
Your mention fees for your safety, we advise for passengers to use only official airport taxi available at designated stands.
Turkish service, di ba?
These are accepted offers from the
Di bukas ka darating ng hapon.
They are not authorized. Average security is actively monitoring the area for your protection. Thank you. Paalala po, para sa inyong kaligtasan, sumakay lamang sa opisyal na airport taxi na matatagpuan sa tinalagang sakaya sa labas ng arrival area. Iwas ang pagtumagat ng alok mula sa malapit sa labas ng terminal, hindi po sila karisado. Patuloy po nag-consider ang airport security upang matiyak ang maayos sa ligtas ng biyahe ng lahat. Maraming salamat.
Tara na.